So, good morning. So, today I am going to discuss the video about the Stapi. And as per the document, how we are going to deploy this Stapi CMS. So, in the cloud, if you go to the cloud, Amazon Web Services. So, today, whole document I have prepared in my folder with the name of Stapi Deployment Automation Main. So, if we discuss about the if you go to the README file, so I'm going to explain with the help of README file. We are required like a Python packages and Amazon CLI like that. We pre-configured prerequisite site we required and Terraform and Git. So these all things are required. So for building these packages, we need to create the Stapi latest project name to quick start it. So also we require the AWS account and the GitHub. This is the URL where I have pushed this code in the GitHub. So also we required to SSH key pair to connect with the EC2 instances. These all things. Also we required the access key and the secret key and region like US1, US2 like that we can define. Also we require the private key and the public key for the instance connections and the security group we required and also inbound port with like 1337 we required. Also we required the Amazon AWS security group and DB group name we required, and Amazon RDS configuration and DB username and password we can use it, and project root path we require to give and Terraform root path we need to give so that our deployment will be completed successfully. And like uh, to initialize the Terraform, we require in the bash we are typing the Terraform init and Terraform plan to review what is the going to be create. So and once after reviewing everything is okay, then Terraform apply auto approve we need to do. So with the help of Terraform apply, we can able to create the all the Amazon resources and RDS databases, these all things, and S3 also endpoint S3 will be created and EC2 public IP will be created. So to view the Terraform configuration, I'll be opening the configuration details here in the folder. Like mostly we need to concentrate on the Amazon RDS file configuration like DB name and Stapi DB and T3 micro we can take here. Also allocated storage is 5 TB around and PostgreSQL we required, and version is 11.22 and database username and password. These all things we can enter here. Also like S3 configuration we can enter here, bucket name Stapi bucket 3636 like that we can mention here. Next instances we need to see here instances. What is the instances name is this is the owner ID name, and host name is public IP where public IP it is hosted. These are all the configuration details in the Terraform instance.tf. Also, if we want to, as per the document, we need to show the output here. So output will be instance details. We can see here. Instance details is this is the public IP, and RDS details is this is the whole database host name and database name and the username. Also, S3 details is US East 1, it is hosted, and the bucket name is Trappy Bucket 3636. So this is about the deployment automation, and this all the code is posted to the GitHub URL. So this is the GitHub URL I'll be mentioning in the ninth step. So this all from my end. Thank you.